Okay, now suppose that you have this data with you. Okay, this data is there, and you've been able to find this best fitting line, which is of course given by your is equal to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat xi. The point is that how would you actually estimate this model? Okay, that is, how would you go about estimating this line, this model? Okay, so just have a look at this. You have these are your actual data points, all these points, and this is your estimated line. Fine. So what is this? Okay, this distance is called a residual. Okay, this distance is called a residual. Clear? Well, and what do you want actually? You would want to minimize the distance between actual and estimated y. Okay, this is what you want to do. That is, you would want, and what are these residuals? These residuals are ui hat. Okay, so, and what we normally do, we normally try to minimize this over beta 1 hat, beta 2 hat, of course. This is nothing but your OLS. Okay, but what if we use it? Okay, is this the only measure of distance? Absolutely not. I mean, you can have the other measures as well. Well, you can also have you can probably minimize this also, which is called the mean absolute deviation. You can do that. Okay, but it has its own problems. Okay, and it has its own properties. The kind of the estimators which it will generate will have its own properties and all. We're not getting into that, but what we are getting into is the OLS part of it. Okay, and these OLS estimators, they have certain nice properties. Okay, one of the very important properties that these are the best linear estimators. So understand that these are the best linear estimators. Well, understand one thing. In this course, we'll be talking about OLS. Okay, well, once we get into the different type of forecasting, probably we'll have to understand about the other kind of estimators also. But here we'll be talking about these, and I'll be in one of the other recording, I'll be talking about why exactly, what is an intuition behind these best linear estimators. So under the assumptions of Gauss-Markov theorem, okay, and these OLS estimators are blue. OLS estimators are blue. So we'll talk about what exactly is this blue, I mean, meaning. Okay, in one of the recording I'll be just providing the intuition about what exactly this blue is, and in the other one, I mean, I'll be proving that OLS estimators are in fact blue. Okay, so these are best estimators, these are linear estimators, these are unbiased estimators. Okay, so under the family of all linear estimators which you have. Okay, so well, this is there. Okay, thanks.